Hey guys, Extreme Airsoft 17 here with a shooting test of the Wind Gun 1911 A1 pistol. We will be shooting at 25 and 50 feet, lower target. Point 20 gram view.
You can tell this gun is shredding these things apart.
Now from 50 feet away.
50 feet now. And that's the sign that the gun is out. Okay, so we have one hit through there, couple hits here. Nice cluster 3, 4 right there. This bottom target he totally demolished. We got one new hit right here, 2 new hits there, and 2 new hits there.
Also, on the gun, when I did my review of this gun, I did not notice until I put the CO2 into it and actually shot it that you were able to hold the trigger in and pull back the hammer continuously and it will shoot like so. So that's a pretty cool feature, but rate, comment, subscribe.